Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here to run through the trade with you on this 27th day of May 2026. Just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and here's a trade taken in the room today. And here we go. We look for our favorite signal, which is our strong candle indicator. And when we get a strong candle pushing off of the trend indicator, that's a super powerful signal. So we just need a bit of red, which we got. So we'll go ahead and buy this up. And the only question we have is what targets are we going to go for? So we look over here at the PVI. It's going down. We expect the next candle to be somewhere between 80 and 100 ticks in length. We got our 21, 51, 101 tick targets out, and this is how it all went down today. So here we go. First thing we do is put our stop where it belongs, last major failure point, and then just let the market take care of the rest. We see we got our targets already set. You'll see that that large amount of risk is not, we're not going to hold that for very long. So as soon as our first target gets taken out, we're going to de-risk the trade completely. Put another order on up here in case we get a break even thing. If this comes back now and takes us out at break even, we'll have to decide whether we want to re-enter, and we'll definitely want to re-enter. So we got a little bit of a hedge going on here. If the market does go short, takes us out and continues going short, well, that's fine. If it comes short, takes us out and then picks us up again, highly likely it's going to keep on going. So 20s and 50s are already out, and this just keeps blowing away without that much of a big deal. So pretty simple trade right here, pretty simple results. Just need to get our 100 ticks out of it, which we will eventually. We're going at 4 times the market speed. I don't think we're going to need this, so we'll take it off. And there we go. So that trade took a little under 5 minutes and was worth 970 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 970 US dollars in 5 minutes, come and join us at samurai.daytrading.com. At samurai.daytrading.com. And we look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. So God bless you, and we'll see you next time.